And now we're ready to generate all these 37 keywords. Okay, so now let's run our workflow in make.com so that all these 37 keywords will be created as an articles and will be automatically posted in our blog section in Shopify. So let's do that now. So in a few minutes, these 38 keywords or 37 blog posts should be completed. So here, guys, all the creation of our articles have been completed. So as you can see, these are the last 6 articles right here. These keywords right here, there should now be in our Shopify blog section. So let's go and check our blog post right here. And there you go. These are all our blog post right here. So if you take a look at one of our blog right here, so this is that when was Henderson, Nevada was founded. So all these topics right here, we have selected the location as our seed keyword, and based on that location, we are searching the seed keyword using this Ahrefs free keyword generator, and we are selecting those in these questions tab so that our articles will all be informational. We have purchased this domain called GoWanderToday.com because we want to make our Shopify store right here connected to a domain. That means we have much better performance in terms of SEO since we have our own domain. Our experiment here, our case study here is to be able to rank articles using Shopify as our main e-commerce platform because as Google core updates coming in very frequent, we wanted to make Google think that our shop, our website is an e-commerce store, and we are actually selling products, not only ranking articles, but selling actual products. Our only intention, our personal intention, is still to rank articles, okay? But we must make Google think that we are an e-commerce store, a legit e-commerce store. But we will be loading lots of articles within this Shopify e-commerce store, okay? That's the case study we're going to do. So in 1 to 2 weeks, we should be able to see some results. Like, for example, our article should start ranking, and in a month or after 3 weeks, we should see that it should have some good results, things like that. So the first thing that we must do here is we get some products. So the easiest way you can do for you to put some products in your Shopify store is just download any type of ebook which you can find in idplr.com. So you can easily download free ebooks here to sell. Since our website that we will be doing here is all about travel, so my plan is to at least put some ebook guides that will become our product. Right here we have this around 37 articles that we will be loading now in our Shopify. Okay, so here, as you can see here, we just put this single article for now, and we have this workflow right here, which was created using make.com. And here we are using the service of Article AI Generator to create, to craft for us high quality articles. As you can see here, the engine API that we selected is Claude. So here, Article AI Generator has this option for you to use their service in any third-party application. Like for instance, we will be using that to create articles in make.com. Okay, so let's try now if our workflow works. So right here, this Google Sheet will choose keywords from the sheet name called blogs. So as you can see, for now, I put these keywords in this sheet too. But all articles should be here in order for us to generate. Let's just test first if this workflow works. So let me run this. So it should generate and automatically create or post this article directly to our Shopify blog section. Let's just now check if the post has been successful. So as you can see, it returns status code of 201, and these are the articles. So it should now be in our blog section right here. When we click refresh, okay, there you go. Our first article is now posted. So let's just view this blog post right here. As you can see, we've got a pretty well-crafted article over here. It's written using Claude. Then here we are connecting this to our Article AI Generator service. So as long as you have credits right here, it will consume these credits when you are trying to use this URL to a third-party application such as this one, make.com, so that you can easily generate articles. For example, the one that we're doing here. Since our workflow has been configured correctly, what we can do now is to load all this, all these 37 keywords right here to populate in our blog section here in our new Shopify store. So this is for us to see whether in 1 or 2 or 3 weeks we are getting some rankings for this article, okay, using this platform Shopify. Okay, now let's do that. So because I selected the sheet one, this sheet called named blogs to be the source of the keyword. So I'm going to transfer all this to here. And now we're ready to generate all these 37 keywords. Okay, so now let's run our workflow in make.com so that all these 37 keywords will be created as an articles and will be automatically posted in our blog section in Shopify. So let's do that now. So in a few minutes, these 38 keywords or 37 blog posts should be completed. So I'll be back, guys. So here, guys, all the creation of our articles have been completed. So as you can see, these are the last 6 articles right here. What happens was, in make.com, since I am on a free plan, I have a limitation of running 14 operations per run here, so I had to split it into three section. So anyway, they're all completed. So all these keywords right here, there should now be in our Shopify blog section. So let's go and check our blog post right here. And there you go. These are all our blog post right here. So if you take a look at one of our blog right here, so this is that when was Henderson, Nevada was founded. So all these topics right here, we have selected the location as our seed keyword, and based on that location, we are searching the seed keyword using this Ahrefs free keyword generator, and here we are selecting those in these questions tab so that our articles will all be informational related to the places that we are trying to create articles. So what happens is, since our Shopify store will be all about travels, that's why all the articles that we generated here are all about different places, like for example in Las Vegas, in Henderson, Nevada, in Waterloo, Iowa, so things like that. Okay, so now we have around 38 or 37 articles now stuck on our Shopify. So we will just wait for 1 to 2 weeks or 3 weeks to see some results right here. The next thing that we want to do is to connect our Shopify store in a domain, so that, because currently this is the subdomain, it's using the myshopify.com and this random ID as our main domain. So in order for Google to treat our site as a legit e-commerce, we must connect this to a domain. So we will use this connect existing domain since we already purchased a domain from Namecheap. So we will just grab this and let's paste that over here, and let's follow the instruction on how to connect this. So here, as instructed, to verify our domain, we just need to create an A record. So right here, we created an A record, okay, pointing the A record IP to what mentioned over here, and also a CNAME www pointed to shops.myshopify.com, which we added right here. Okay, so the next thing is we will be adding this to our Google Search Console. So to add that, we can click this add property, and we will again put the domain. So our domain, we will just need to copy that just like that. So paste it right here. We just need to add a text record as well to verify our domain here in Google Search Console. So as mentioned right here, create a TXT record. So we copy that and we go to our domain again and click add new record. So TXT record, and then we paste the value right there. We save that. So now it should be verified in few minutes. So usually the propagation of the domain will take about 1 hour, but it should be like less than 30 minutes. So we'll just verify later, as well as our Shopify domain. We will verify connection later once the propagation is completed. So now that our domain has been completely configured, let's now just take a look. So we go to blog post and we click one of our blogs right there. As you can see, we are now able to navigate by using our own domain, gowondertoday.com, and then this is our site, our store. So we just need to make some few configurations in order for us to complete the setup, and just after completing the setup, our job is just to wait for about a week, and we will monitor in our Google Search Console whether we are getting some traffic. Okay, now going to the themes right here. So what we're gonna do is select a simplest theme that we can install for our blog. So that theme, I think, doesn't have that much customization that we are looking. So we will take a look at this taste theme. So let's install this. Okay, so now let's customize this theme. Okay, so for featured products, I think we can replace that with our actual product, which is the one that we downloaded. So we will just add that now. So the product is travel mistakes to avoid. So let's just put some placeholder the description. So I just copied the introduction from the PDF. Okay, and let's add some cover. like that. And the product type, it should be ebook. Yep, ebooks right there. And here, it'll just have it as $1. Okay, because our main purpose is not to sell this product, but our articles. And then once our articles are ranking, we will put some affiliate link, and that's it. We will save this product. Okay, now let's go back to our team, and we should be able to, add our product right here. So we will remove this section to the featured collection. Let's delete this remove section. So here, let's add section that says blog. So you can see here blog post right there. Okay, now we will link each one of them to our, here we can name this as latest articles. And let's change each of them. So here, as you can see, you're able to select your blog right here. So let's choose that. As you can see, if you get images on your blog post, which we will do later, then they will appear, okay? So yeah, that's the one we wanted. And select. And let's save this. Yeah. And this one, I wanted to delete this. Maybe let's just add another section that says feature product right here. And yeah, we choose our product, which is right here. There you go, our product. Select that and save it. Okay, and then we will add the logo. Here we have created logos earlier right here. Okay, so as you can see, it got replaced with our logo and also our favicon. Great, our blog looks decent now. And it's fun, we can remove this spark right here. So this is the final appearance of our e-commerce store at the moment, with all the latest articles right here and the single product that we are offering in our e-commerce store, again, just to make Google think that we are a legit e-commerce store. Okay, so when you go to blogs right there, so you will see all the blog posts here that we wanted to rank on Google. So that's it, guys. So yeah, doesn't look bad at all. So hopefully, guys, you get something from this video, and if you do, please leave a like. And yeah, thank you for watching.